Hi everyone, well this is the Shenzhen Gundam base. As you can see now in the front, you can see a double O racer with its hand sticking out, like a real size plastic fake hand. And you can see the latest units are available. These are all the ones at the bottom are from the Reach of Mercury. The above ones are the latest ones from Build Fight. And some more from Build Fight units. And a lot of different units available here. And on this side, there's a video wall showing the latest, I think this is the Netflix movie trailer, yes. And you can see, take a look. I believe these are the special units, the Nadila. And also they have the Ixia unit, Gundam, Free Gundam. And this is the Silver unit. And this is the Moon Gundam. And also special finish for the Unicorn Gundam. So these are all available. And I will probably come back to you guys later regarding the pricing. There's quite a lot of units available here, and we'll come back to you shortly. Here they have the whole lot sizes for all the original Gundam of all different sizes, and things are quite pricey here. These are the lighting for the PG unit is 1,400 units, 1,000 per unit. And the Ixia itself is $1,800. Well, like double the price, I'll say. Other than that, they have a lot of special units available, and the price itself is not that pricey actually. For example, looking at this dome. This dome clear color is just only $429. And this is the clear color Wing Zero Custom. And also for this special unit, clear color Freedom unit is just only $389. Okay, for these two units, the Eclipse Clear unit only costs $429, but well, I'll say not really special. And on the other side, the Curious actually looks really not a lot well, but not bad, and the pricing is acceptable. Now the RG Unicorn Gundam Compatibility, the blue one, I would say for this price, $600 will be a sort of quite acceptable. Depends on how you look at it. It's not a high grade; it's real grade. This one is also, but unfortunately, it's all sold out. It's just only 679 Hong Kong dollars, while probably around like 60 something US dollars. Now on the second part, they got the strict G version, and also all the other special units here. You can put a new Gundam Fukuoka version, and then this is the Shanghai version unit. Yes, and these are all the strict G items available. T-shirts. And also furthermore t-shirts and also souvenirs. interesting tote bags and a huge ass tree Gundam. And on the other side, there are also some special items and probably a place for people to put the units up. Interesting. They actually have the whole series of the Pale Riders, which is quite unusual to see all of them here.